We all love the cool stuff AI can do, right? From making our photos pop to scheduling social media like a pro, these tools are awesome. But let's be real, some of them can get pretty pricey, especially if you're just starting out or running a small business. That's why in this video, we're diving deep into the world of free AI alternatives. Stick around and let's unlock the potential of free AI tools together. First up, we're tackling the behemoth of photo editing, Adobe Photoshop. Enter GIMP, the GNU image manipulation program. It's completely free, open source, and packs a serious punch. We're talking layers, masks, filters, you name it. You can achieve professional level results without spending a penny. Seriously, if you're tired of subscription fees and want a powerful, versatile photo editor, give GIMP a shot. Next up, let's talk about writing. Grammarly has become super popular, but that premium version comes at a cost. Well, hold on to your hats because LanguageTool is here to save the day. It's a powerful free grammar and spell checker that goes head-to-head with Grammarly. It works seamlessly across multiple platforms, integrating with your browser, word processor, and even email. And the best part? LanguageTool supports over 20 languages, making it a true global grammar companion. So if you're looking for a free Grammarly alternative that doesn't compromise on quality, LanguageTool is the way to go. Without spending a dime. SEO? Those three little letters can make a world of difference for your online presence. Semrush is a powerhouse in the SEO world, but its price tag can be intimidating. Don't worry, Ubersuggest is here to level the playing field. Created by SEO guru Neil Patel, Ubersuggest offers a ton of free features that can boost your SEO game. We're talking keyword research, competitor analysis, backlink tracking, and even site audits. Ubersuggest's interface is super intuitive, making complex SEO data easy to understand and act on. So if you're ready to unlock the power of SEO without emptying your wallet, give Ubersuggest a shot. You might just be surprised at the results. Let's talk design.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out.
Disappointed. In the world of automation, Zapier is a household name, but if you're on a tight budget, its pricing can be a hurdle. Enter IFTTT, short for If This Then That, a free automation tool that's perfect for simple tasks. IFTTT works by connecting your favorite apps and services, allowing you to create automated workflows called applets. While IFTTT might not be as feature-rich as Zapier for complex automations, it's incredibly easy to use and perfect for automating everyday tasks. So if you're looking for a free way to automate your workflow and streamline your digital life, IFTTT is the way to go. tools you might already be using. So if you're ready to take your customer relationship management to the next level without breaking the bank, give HubSpot CRM a try. It's a cost-effective solution that can help you grow your business and keep your customers happy. Thank you for it.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out. Until then, nope, a nope, a nope, a nope, definitely nope, a nope, nope, a nope. Probably never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. Oh no.
Prepare to be amazed. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this software has something to offer everyone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials on making money online. And while you're here, why not check out some of my other videos? Let's keep learning together.